Namaste and welcome to our channel. My name is Shaini Narang and I'm your yoga guide. Today's video is about set your morning right with this 20-minute morning routine which will help you bring more clarity, more focus and more energy. हम सब की सुबह बहुत हड़बड़ी में शुरू होती है, लगभग सबको काम पे जाना है, कुछ ना कुछ घर पे करना है and the mind is very agitated. So we hardly take out time to center and align ourselves. और उस चक्कर में सारा दिन खराब जाता है. You must have experienced this. But if we just take 15-20 minutes in the morning and center our mind, our body and our breath, then the whole day goes well. क्योंकि आपका focus, आपका concentration, आपकी energy सभी एक साथ होते हैं. To practice that, we're going to be doing this 5-step process today. The first step is gratitude, second is movement, third is breathing, fourth is chanting and fifth is visualization. हम ये सारे steps cover करेंगे in short and this will be more than enough for you to set your day right. So let's begin this video. We'll start with gratitude. So as soon as you get up in the morning, take a sitting position, even if you are on your bed, and join your palms and close your eyes. Take a deep breath, and in your mind, express gratitude for this life. इस जीवन के लिए परमात्मा का, उस डिवाइन का शुक्रिया करेंगे. एक और सुनहरा दिन आपके हिस्से में आया. You're blessed with another beautiful, magical day. So take a breath to thank the universe, to thank the divine for this beautiful day. Say thank you from your heart. Say thank you from your whole being. Say thank you that your breath is with you, that you're alive, that you're helping the world in your own capacity. Express gratitude for this opportunity to connect with the divine. And slowly rub your palms. धीरे से हाथों को मलेंगे. And cover your eyes. Feel the warmth of the palms in your eyes. Blink your eyes softly and look at the palms. धीरे से पलकों को झपका के हथेलियों को देखें. आपकी ऊर्जा आपकी हथेलियों में जाते हुए देखें. आपके भविष्य को निखारते हुए देखें. So that was the first step, to thank the divine, to express gratitude for this another beautiful day. Now we'll do some simple movements. आप इसको अपने बेड पे बैठे बैठे भी प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. Even if you're sitting on your bed in the morning, you can still practice these movements. These are very simple. So we'll first interlock the fingers and raise the arms over the head. Stretch your body upwards. Lengthen the spine and relax the body. गहरा लंबा सांस लेंगे, धीरे धीरे छोड़ेंगे. And look up. ऊपर की ओर देखें. Stretch your arms up higher. कोशिश करें अपने आर्म्स को और ऊपर ले जाएं. and exhale, release. Now we'll place the right hand on the left knee, twist, look back. दूसरे हाथ को पीछे रखेंगे सपोर्ट के लिए. स्पाइन को ट्विस्ट करें. ब्रीद इन, release with an exhalation. Take the left hand on the right knee, twist, look back. पीछे की ओर देखेंगे, बॉडी को रिलैक्स, ढीला छोड़ देंगे. But keep the spine straight. Breathe in. Exhale, release. Beautiful. Right hand को रखेंगे बेड पे या मैट पे and extend your right arm out. Take the left arm to the right side, stretch the side, look up, breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale, come to center. Exhale, stretch to the left side. Left hand को रखेंगे बेड पे, stretch it out. Extend your right arm to the side and open the chest towards the sky. Lift the chest up. Breathe in. Breathe out. And inhale, come back to center. Now join the sole of the feet. पैरों के तलवों को मिलाएंगे and you just move the knees up and down to relax the hips gently with a smile on the face, opening the hips, relaxing the body, chest lifted, spine relaxed and straight. Now open the feet slightly wide, पैरों को थोड़ा खोल लेंगे and we'll drop both the knees to the right side and to the left side. Just relaxing the hip joint, once to the right, then to the left. This will relax the lower body. And come back to center. Join the sole of the feet again. पैरों को फिर से जोड़ लेंगे and stretch your arms forward. Drop the head. Feel the stretch in the lower back. जितना आप आगे जा सकते हैं उतना अच्छा. अगर आपकी बॉडी यहीं तक अलाउ करती है तो यहीं रुकेंगे. If your body is here, it's fine. If you want to go further, it's fine. Just relax the breath. Take both the hands to the right side. Feel the stretch in the lower back, left side. Take both the hands to the left. बाईं तरफ दोनों हाथों को ले जाएं. Feel the stretch on the right. Come back to center. You might be able to go forward a little more since the spine is relaxed. And gently come up. That was simple stretches so that the mind, which is connected to the body, can also relax along with the body. Now take any comfortable sitting position and we'll just do some deep breathing. So place your right hand on the chest, left hand on the belly and close your eyes. आँखें बंद करेंगे. गहरा लंबा सांस लेंगे. If you want, you can use a pillow, cushion, any prop to sit little upright ताकि आपकी spine straight रहे और आप गहरा सांस ले पाएं. So inhale, expand the body. Exhale, let go of the breath. सांस भरते हुए शरीर को गुब्बारे की तरह फुला लें. सांस छोड़ते हुए बॉडी को रिलैक्स करें. ब्रीद इन, breathe out. Inhale. exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Taking your time, bring the hands down, observe your breath. This was our step number 3, deep breathing. Now we will come to chanting. हम 5 बार ओम का उच्चारण करेंगे. Just 5 times we will do ओम उच्चारण. So take a breath, inhale. Feel the power, feel the divine through the Om Ucharan. The grace is flowing all the time. Now, coming to the 5th step, keeping your eyes closed, visualize the best for yourself. सोचिए कि आपका दिन बहुत अच्छा जा रहा है. Your day is going good, not just good, the best. Because everything is working in your favor. सभी चीज़ें आपके हित में हो रही हैं ताकि आप उन्नति कर सकें, ताकि आपका जीवन शैली बेहतर हो सके, that you can live a better life and your soul can progress. And the journey of your soul can be completed. So everything is happening in your favor. Visualize that. Take a deep breath. Exhale slowly. Gently bring the palms together, rub your palms. हाथों में थोड़ी गर्माहट लेके आएंगे. And cover your eyes. Softly without pressing them eyes. सिर्फ हथेलियों को आँखों पे रखेंगे. उसी तरीके से रखे रहिए और आँखों को थोड़ा झपकाएंगे. Just blink the eyes a little and slowly look at the palms. So this was your morning routine that you can practice every single day to center yourself and set the tone right for the whole day. ये रूटीन बहुत ही पावरफुल है. आप इसको अगर 3 से 4 हफ्ते रोज़ प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो आप देखेंगे दैट दिस विल बिकम अ पार्ट ऑफ योर बीइंग एंड थिंग्स इन द एक्सटर्नल वर्ल्ड विल स्टार्ट टू चेंज. क्योंकि जो भी चेंज आप बाहर देखना चाहते हैं उन सब की शुरुआत यहाँ से होती है. It's the internal that has to change for us to see the reflection of that in the external world. So I hope you found this video useful. If you find value in this, please share it with your friends and family as well so they can benefit as well. With this, we have come to the end of this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep practicing yoga and namaste.